Okay, so this is the Ulanzi J12 Wireless mic set. So there's a receiver and there's two microphones. I have one of them right here. The receiver is plugged into my phone. You can either get Lightning or USB-C depending on your phone. So I got Lightning because I have an iPhone. Cool, not those Android users. Only thing is that this case and the mics themselves are USB-C. So if you charge the case, USB-C down here. It comes with a cord, so you don't have to buy one. Because if you're an Android user, you have a ton of them. If you have an iPad Pro like me, I have one for them. I used to have an Android, so I have a ton still. My Mac has USB-C, pretty much everything other than my phone, and my AirPods is USB-C. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a feature I found on this. It's actually super sick. I didn't know about it, but yeah. So I'm gonna grab the second one I have. There's a USB-C on it, so if you had this and somehow didn't have the case, you can charge them by itself. But so if you take it out and put it back in, it'll turn on a red light for a second, and if it's fully charged, the red light will disappear. That's what I heard. Not sure. It seems like it because this thing has been lasting forever. And I did see that this case will charge these from 0 to 100 4 times before the case does, and these mics will last 6 hours. Not counting, 6 hours per mic. So this will last 6 hours. This will last 6 hours. So you and your friend can record on the same device, and you both will be heard for 6 hours. Who would record for 6 hours though? What? You can probably live stream with these. The longest I've streamed is probably almost 3 hours. I've never ever gone over 3. So that's kind of crazy that these will last that long. Because you can go live from Instagram Live or whatever. You can walk around pretty far. Because I have the Movo VX-R10. It's kind of like a shotgun, but it's there's a cord. I have a short of this somewhere that I recorded earlier. But so that's for what I'm doing right now. But I just want to show you what this sounds like. This is for you have these those prank shorts. People walk, and the camera's super far away, but they're just talking and it sounds crispy. That's basically what this is right here. And there's a clip on it, so I'll clip to whatever. And they're not heavy at all. They're so light, it's insane. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the feature that I learned a couple minutes ago. It actually works really well. So yeah. Okay, and another thing I forgot to mention is since these mics are wireless, I'm actually behind the camera right now, and you can still talk and make it sound normal without having to flip your mic on the shotgun or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what this feature does. Okay, so I have a light on it. So the case is pretty big. I have big hands, and it's still pretty decent sized. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take my mic actually. So here I'll show you just what it looks like. So receiver, other mic, USB-C right there. That's pretty much it for the case. I did scratch it a tiny smidge, so I dropped it outside when I was recording that short. Kind of sad. Take my mic. Hopefully it doesn't make any weird sounds. Okay, so this is my mic, as you can see. Hopefully it doesn't destroy your ears. But there's a button on the side. That's how you turn it on. You hold this button right here. Turn it on. But if you click it, this is a different noise canceling version. So that's noise cancel 1. That's noise cancel 2. There's canceling noise. And the last is 3. Okay, that is 3. So it kind of changed, the background. And if it's farther away from your voice, if it's farther away from your mouth, it won't sound as normal. So if I do this, it'll sound kind of different, I'm farther away. Or just either cuts in and out, or just normal. But if I change it back to normal, so after 3, you click it again, and it won't blink. That means it's back to normal. So no noise canceling, whatever. and that's how you get the sound. So pretty sick. This thing is absolutely fire. I'm definitely gonna use this a lot. Like, there's a video I did pranking my neighbors. Not pranking my neighbors, sneaking into my neighbors. We asked to play basketball in their front yard, so we weren't. Well, we did sneak, but then we asked. So yeah, that would have totally worked because I had 2 people at the door, their door, which was both my cousins, Bryce and Hannah. This would have worked for both of them. So yeah, peace.